Robertshaw Thermostat Troubleshooting, expert tips and tricks. To troubleshoot a Robertshaw thermostat, check the power source and ensure proper settings. Verify connections and consult the user manual. Robertshaw thermostats are known for their reliability and ease of use. Despite this, issues can arise that need troubleshooting. Common problems include incorrect settings, power issues, and faulty wiring. Ensuring the thermostat has power is the first step. Double-check the circuit breaker and batteries. Next, verify the settings to make sure they match your desired temperature. Inspect the wiring connections to ensure they are secure. Consulting the user manual can provide specific guidance for your model. Proper troubleshooting helps maintain your thermostat's efficiency and extends its lifespan. Robertshaw thermostat common issues. Robertshaw thermostats are reliable, but they can sometimes have issues. Understanding common problems can help you fix them quickly. 1. No display. 2. Incorrect temperature. Robertshaw thermostat initial checks. Before diving into complex fixes, start with initial checks. These simple steps can often resolve the issue with your Robertshaw thermostat. Initial checks are crucial for effective troubleshooting. Follow these steps to rule out common problems. 1. Power supply. 2. Circuit breakers. Robertshaw thermostat battery problems. Battery issues are common with Robertshaw thermostats. Knowing how to solve these problems can save you time. This section covers the most frequent battery problems and their solutions. 1. Low battery warning. 2. Replacing batteries. Robertshaw thermostat sensor issues. Dealing with Robertshaw thermostat troubleshooting can be tricky. Many problems stem from sensor issues. Sensors are crucial for accurate temperature and humidity readings. Let's dive into common sensor issues and how to fix them. 1. Temperature sensor. 2. Humidity sensor. Robertshaw thermostat wiring problems. Wiring problems can cause your Robertshaw thermostat to malfunction. Common issues include loose connections and incorrect wiring. These problems can disrupt your thermostat's performance. Addressing these issues can restore normal operation. Loose connections. 2. Incorrect wiring. Robertshaw thermostat software glitches. Thermostats are essential for maintaining home temperatures. Robertshaw thermostats can face software glitches. These glitches can disrupt normal function. Below, learn how to fix these issues. 1. Resetting the thermostat. 2. Updating firmware. Robertshaw thermostat calibration techniques. Calibrating your Robertshaw thermostat ensures it works accurately. This process helps maintain the comfort of your home. Below are some key calibration techniques. 1. Temperature calibration. 2. Humidity calibration. Robertshaw thermostat, when to call a professional. Thermostat issues can be tricky. Sometimes it's best to call a professional. This ensures your Robertshaw thermostat works properly. But when should you make that call? Below, we discuss specific situations. Frequently asked questions about Robertshaw thermostat. How do I reset my Robertshaw thermostat? To reset your Robertshaw thermostat, turn off the unit, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reset can resolve minor issues. Why is my Robertshaw thermostat not working? If your Robertshaw thermostat is not working, check the batteries first. Ensure they are properly installed. Also, verify the thermostat's wiring connections. How to change batteries in Robertshaw thermostat. To change the batteries, remove the thermostat cover. Replace the old batteries with new ones. Ensure correct polarity. Reattach the cover and test the unit. Why is my Robertshaw thermostat blank? A blank screen usually indicates dead batteries. Replace the batteries with new ones. If the problem persists, check the wiring connections. Conclusion about Robertshaw thermostat. Troubleshooting your Robertshaw thermostat can be simple with the right steps. Follow the tips provided to ensure proper functionality. Regular maintenance can prevent future issues and extend the life of your thermostat. For persistent problems, consult a professional. Keep your home comfortable and energy efficient by addressing any thermostat concerns promptly. There you go.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.